How to use your Bank of America corporate credit card. Let's get started. Whether you are new to corporate cards or just received yours, understanding how to use it responsibly is key. First things first, familiarize yourself with the features of your corporate card. Bank of America corporate cards often come with benefits like expense management tools, rewards programs, and detailed reporting features that can help you track spending. Make sure to log into your online account at Bank of America's website or through your mobile app. Here, you can view your transactions, pay your bill, and check any rewards or benefits specific to your corporate card. When making purchases, always ensure that they align with your company's policy. Corporate cards are typically used for business expenses like travel, office supplies, or client meals. Always keep receipts and maintain records of your expenditures. If you're unsure whether a certain expense is covered, check with your finance department to avoid any policy violations. Misuse of a corporate card can lead to serious consequences. Most companies require you to report your expenses for reconciliation. Bank of America tools provided or your company's expense management system to submit reports. You may need to attach receipts and provide a brief description of each transaction. Staying organized is key. Regularly monitor your card statements and report any discrepancies as soon as possible. This not only helps in keeping your expenses in check but also spotting any unauthorized transactions. Don't forget to take advantage of any rewards or benefits that come with your corporate card. This might include cashback, travel rewards, or discounts at partner businesses. And finally, ensure you know the procedure for lost or stolen cards. Immediate reporting is crucial to prevent fraudulent charges and to secure a replacement card swiftly. That wraps our guide on using your Bank of America corporate credit card. Thanks for tuning. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more useful guides.